Our healthcare model today is all about reducing pain and symptoms, but the journey we're going to have together is something much deeper than that. I focus on building real health. When the body becomes healthier, pain and symptoms reduce naturally. Hi, my name's Dr. Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel. There are two types of healthcare that live in the world: sickness care and wellness care. Sickness care focuses on managing and reducing pain and symptoms. Wellness care focuses on improving your body's structure, function, and overall vitality. And as those improve, symptoms often decrease or disappear. My goal isn't just to help you feel less sick. It's to help you become more healthy, more resilient, and more alive inside your body. And in wellness care, there are three phases: relief, rebuild, and rise. You can think of it like your body as a temple. In relief, we are patching up the holes and cracks in the house. In rebuild, we are focusing on the foundation so that the cracks don't come back. And if a storm comes through or a stressor comes by, the cracks won't happen again because we have a good foundation. And rise is all about redecorating your house and making it your own. So you can see why the three phases are so important. In relief care, we are focusing on the natural healing mechanism that lives in your body, and we activate this through a nervous system downshift. If you get a paper cut, if you get a crack in the house, you are not forcing that paper cut to heal. There is a natural mechanism going on inside your body that allows the scab to form. And it all comes from your brain sending a signal to create that scab. Your body will feel more safe and will start healing itself. It'll start reorganizing itself. It'll start patching up the walls in the house. The cracks in the house, in your temple, will start to mend. The healing cascade will reactivate. People often say they feel like they have an upright posture, they feel more aligned, their digestion improves, their body is more healthy and more vital, they recover faster, and symptoms that they didn't even know they had are just improving. Next is rebuild care, and this is where we focus on really solidifying the potential we created in relief care. And if anyone backs out after phase one, they could run into a stressor that could disrupt them right back into pain and symptoms because we didn't create the foundation and the stability that's created in phase two. We focus on deeper alignment across physical, chemical, and emotional levels. Phase three is all about redecorating your house. And we're fine-tuning everything so that we make sure that stable foundation stays and that you could go beyond ordinary potential and feel the best in your body. People often describe feeling more energy, better balance in their body, and a deeper sense of well-being. Our journey together isn't about removing pain. It's about helping your body become the healthiest, strongest version of yourself. And when true health grows, symptoms often take care of themselves. Please like, share, and subscribe. My name's Dr. Rebecca, and see you on the next one.